Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very rich and extremely tasty chicken dish, Shahi chicken. Look at how creamy this is and so full of flavor and very quick to make too. Let's get started with this amazing chicken curry. Come on. We will need some fried onions and I have shown how to make these in my mutton biryani video and have posted the link below. Rest of the ingredients keep adding more and more flavor to the mixture we are going to make. Try to use thick yogurt. Blend and this is how it looks. Use boneless chicken pieces if possible. We will season these well to give them more flavor. Add the blended mixture and mix so the pieces are all well coated. Marinate for an hour or so. Let's make the main curry now. Adding the whole spices give out their own flavor into the oil and makes this dish even more rich. Few cashews to make it richer. Don't brown them. We will add the marinated chicken and allow it to come to a boil. You will see the oil separating. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. Use a thick bottom pot so the chicken doesn't burn. Look at how the moisture has released. At this point, we will mix and add heavy cream to the curry along with the garam masala. I have shown how to make the garam masala and the link is down below. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I keep posting every week. Lower the flame and cover and cook for a few minutes more. Wow, look at how rich and creamy this curry has turned out and the aroma has filled throughout the kitchen. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching.